In today's video, I'm going to teach you Grammarly icon is not showing in MS Word. How to fix Grammarly problem in MS Word? Let's get you back to writing with Grammarly working as expected. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search box, type Microsoft Word and press Enter. From the results, click the official Microsoft Word website so you're opening Word on the web. Once you're there, choose Create to start a new document. This gets us into a fresh editing page where the Grammarly icon, usually a small green dot, should appear near the bottom right or along the editing area. If you don't see that green dot yet, we'll check your browser's extensions. Look to the top right of your browser window for the Extensions menu, often shown as a puzzle piece or an extensions icon, and click it. From that menu, select Manage Extensions. This opens your extensions dashboard where you can verify what's active. Now, find the Grammarly extension in the list. Make sure it's switched on. Depending on your browser, you might see a simple on-off toggle or an enabled switch. If it's off, click the toggle to turn it on. This ensures Grammarly is allowed to run while you're using Word on the web. With Grammarly enabled, go back to your Word tab. Give the page a moment and check again for the green dot or Grammarly icon. If it still isn't showing, reload the Word tab to refresh the connection between the page and the extension. Reloading forces the extension to attach to the current document. If reloading doesn't do it, create a brand new document from the Word home screen. Sometimes a new file triggers the extension to initialize correctly when the previous tab didn't. After the refresh or new document, you should now see the green dot appear. That's your confirmation that Grammarly is active and ready to check your spelling, grammar, and clarity as you type. If the icon shows up, try entering a few words or a sentence and watch for suggestions to make sure everything is functioning. To recap the flow you'll follow: open Word on the web, look for the Grammarly icon, check your browser's extensions menu, enable Grammarly if it's off, then return to Word and reload or start a new document if needed. With those quick checks, the green dot should be back, and you can continue writing with confidence.